Have you ever wondered how much money you spent in total on Swiggy for food ordering? Well, I did, and that's why I wrote this simple Python script that retrieves the total amount of money I spent on Swiggy. To use it, first clone the GitHub repository of the script. Link will be in the description. Install the requirements with pip install-r requirements.txt. Now log into your Swiggy account on a web browser. Install the cookie editor browser extension. It is available for both Chrome and Firefox. Now come back to your Swiggy tab and click on the extensions icon and select export. This will copy all your cookies to the clipboard. Now create a file called cookies.json in the same path as the Python script that you just cloned. And paste your cookies here and save the file. And finally, simply run the script with Python. And voila! The script shows you the total money you spent, the total number of orders placed, and the average money spent on each order on Swiggy. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Go check out the script and also let me know if you want me to do this for Zomato as well. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, cheers.